I am living my best life. I had never even imagined myself being a business owner, but being able to start a business and grow it makes me want to help other women kind of have the same thing. My name is Brandi Bridges-Wheeler. I am Independent Senior Sales Director with Mary Kay Cosmetics. I have been building my business now for 10 years. One thing that has allowed me to go forward in Mary Kay is I love to win. I love to win in every arena. And Mary Kay built this company so that women like you and I could move up and also show their family that they could still be there for them. I want other women to see that you can show up to this place and you can just be authentically yourself. If you wanna wear a bright lipstick, wear a bright lipstick. If you wanna wear bright colors, do that. Be who you are. And I get to pass it down to my daughter.
Hi, Mary Kay. We're at the park with our family.
Look what we're doing, living our what?
Living our lives.
Our what lives?
Our best lives.
Our best lives. My oldest son is 7. About 9 months after I had him, I went to a doctor's appointment and I was diagnosed with postpartum depression. Nobody knew that I had been crying every day on my way to work, on my way from work. I was able to talk to our team and my team rallied around me. The community that I have and my husband, my mom, my sister, my brother, my cousins, my friends, they all rallied around me. And after that, I promised myself that I would never give up on myself again or give up on other people because there is always someone who needs to know that they can do it too. And then I found myself building a team of women whose lives were impacted and changed. They believe in themselves. They believe they can do this and you wanna help them and do it over and over and over again. And who wouldn't want that feeling, knowing that you can help someone and believe that they can do whatever they put their mind to? My favorite quote is, if you think you can, you can. And if you think you can't, you're right. No one's gonna stop you from getting to where you wanna be as long as you're willing to put in the work. And if I could go back and tell 18-year-old Brandi anything, is that, girl, you're gonna live your best life with this business and you're gonna help other women do the same thing.